So in this video, you'll learn how to disable the swipe to type feature on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So if you're using swipe to type, you'll notice that whenever you drag your finger across certain characters on your keyboard, it starts spelling out a word. But sometimes you can accidentally swipe your finger across different characters and it will type out a word that you don't need to use. When that happens, you might decide you want to disable this feature. So in order for you to turn it off, all you need to do is simply open Settings, and then you want to scroll and select General Management. Under General Management, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and then look for Swipe, Touch and Feedback and select it. Next, tap on Keyboard Swipe Controls, and then all you need to do to disable this feature is simply select No Swipe Gestures. Once you've done that, you'll notice that now whenever you go to try swipe to type, it's no longer activated on your phone, which means that you have turned it off successfully. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.